Today we're going to be asking the question, is this AI video generator a Sora killer? Well, be able to find out whether that's true or not. What I'm going to do is I'm going to actually have Sora up on the screen, and we're going to copy some of the prompts, and we're going to be putting those into this other AI video generator. And we'll be able to see and do a bit of a comparison, a side-by-side comparison, to see which one is better. In fact, I'm actually interested myself because I don't know the answer. And we're all going to find out together. So if you'd like to learn a little bit more about that, stick around to the end. Hey, I'm Henry and I'm from Product Creation Formula. Here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that sounds interesting to you, how about you smash the like button as well as subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Alright guys, let's go check it out. Today I'd like to introduce you to a place called Hotshot. Now, I have done a little bit of a cheat and I have checked out one of them, and I have to say I'm pretty impressed with the prompt that I used from Sora. Now, the prompt I used from Sora is this one here. A stylish woman walks down a Tokyo street filled with warm glowing neon and animated city signage. She wears a black leather jacket, a long red dress and black boots, and carries a black purse. She wears sunglasses and red lipstick. She's walking confidently and casually. The street is damp and reflective, creating a mirror effect of the colourful lights many pedestrians walk about. Okay, so what I did was I wanted to try it out in Hotshot, so that's exactly what I wrote in Hotshots. As you can see, that is nothing short of spectacular. There are they're very, very similar in a lot of ways. Now let's just bring this back to the beginning. So as you can see, she's walking through the streets of Tokyo. Hers is probably a little bit clearer with the background, and you can see other people probably a little bit more clearly. But this is actually like a shot where you're focusing on her and the background image has been fuzzed out. So it's like they're using a telescopic lens. Let's go and find another Sora image. Now I'm really curious to find the one with this one here. Now I'd really like to see what this one's going to be like. I'm going to see if I can hold it there for 1 second. I'm going to try and copy that text if I can. There we go. Just going to copy that. And we're going to be putting that straight into Hotshots. Now I'm just going to close this off for 1 second. And to do this is one of the other ones I've created. Some of the other ones that I've personally created myself. Some of them are good. Some of them are not so good. Like this one here is not so good. And there are a few that I was hoping to have rain coming down on them and raining down on people. And they all look a bit not great. And as you can see, this one here is probably one of the most impressive ones. And I'd say the next most impressive one is this one here. And also this one here. This is also pretty spectacular too. So let's go and have a look at what we can do here. I'm just going to go Control V, place that prompt just there. And let's just see what it gives us. Now I'm going to pause the video while it does it, while it creates it. It does take a few minutes. So it should be interesting to see what it's like. I'll just wait for a moment to show you what it's like when it's creating it. So it starts off with this, and eventually it'll give you like a fuzzy screen, and then eventually the image or the video will pop up. So I'm just going to pause the video till it's ready. Now this is what I mean by the fuzzy screen. Now one of the things I love about this is the fact that you can see the snow pouring up over here. You can see the fur swaying in the wind, and they look like elephants. Let's just play that again. As you can see it's like it's kicking up snow and so forth, and you've got snow stuck to the feet, plus the fur is moving around, and I love it. This is what Sora looks like when it does it. Now let's have a look at what Hotshots has done. The tusks are a little bit, I'm not so great about the tusks. The tusks kind of look a bit sus, very sus in fact. And this one doesn't even look like it's got a tusk. It looks like it's got fur. But anyway, it's the fur is moving around and they look a bit dodgy. So, okay, I'll give this one to Sora. I won't give this one to Hotshot. But that's okay. Let's try and find another one on Sora. Let's scroll down and we'll have a look here. This one looks like it might be a good one. Historical footage of California during the gold rush. Okay, so let's just triple click on that. Copy that. And what I'm going to do is put that straight in here and I'll just remove the word prompt. And we'll just hit enter and we'll see what it's like. Now, once again, I'll pause the video. Okay, so this one here is in color and it looks like a drone's flown over the top, showing you the various things. Now, it's not perfect. Like over here, you see a weird thing going on over there. There's a number of unusual things. Now, this here is Sora, by the way, what we're looking at right here. But it's still not bad, though. I have to say, it's pretty good looking. Now, let's go and have a look at Hotshots. Okay, now, I don't know if they had cars during the gold rush time. It looks like they might even have train lines in the middle of the road here, or more like tram lines maybe. I don't know if they had that sort of thing back then. But no, this is really good. And because it's black and white, it gives it a more historical look. Makes it look like it's something that was filmed in the era. So I would actually put this one maybe for Hotshots. So we'll give that one a tick for Hotshots. Okay, now let's go and have a look for another one. This one looks interesting. Oops, a daisy. This one looks really interesting. Let's just click on that. Expand that up. And let's just triple click. Oh, there we go. Copy all of that. That's a very cute one. Let's see. Oh, wow, that's really cute. I'm just going to copy that. And we'll have a look and see whether or not Hotshots can manage it. Now, I do have only 88 left for this month. And I'll show you the pricing very soon. We'll go Control V. And I'll get rid of the word prompt. I'll take that up to the top. And there we go. Now we'll just hit that and we'll see what it's like. I'm just going to pause the video. I can't show you the pricing as yet while it's still creating the video, so I'll just wait for it to finish. Then I'll show you the pricing. Okay, so once again, this is the one from OpenAI, the Sora. So have a look at that one. Okay, it looks like the people are wanting to pat them and there's fairies going on there. They're looking down at fairies. Now have a look at this one over here. Okay, so this one does look a little bit different, but it's a cute little squirrel, I guess, but it's growing and walking backwards, which is kind of strange. So I'll give this one to Sora. Now, let's have a quick look at the pricing here. So as you can see, it's $29 a month, and that gives you 100 generations per month. Now, of course, you can see I'm actually a paid member here, so that is something you can consider. I'll leave a link for this in the description box down below. Okay, so let's watch this one. What I might also do... Alright, so that'll probably do. Let's see what Hotshots does with this. So I'm just going to do that. Get rid of the word prompt. And let's see how we go from here. I might even do 3D just to help it out a little bit. And we hit that and see what it does. So once again, we'll pause the video and see what it's like. Okay, so this one here followed the cartoon aspect of it probably a little bit more than what I was expecting it to. So I might redo this one again, give Hotshots a bit of a chance with this one. I'm going to redo this one, but what I'm going to do in this particular case is get rid of the word cartoon and put down 3D CGI, kangaroo disco dancing, see how we go there. I'll give this one another chance just in case, because that one did say cartoon and 3D, so kind of threw it off, although it did follow the cartoon aspect of it. So it did follow the prompt probably a little bit more correctly than Sora did. But with that in mind, Sora did a much higher quality video. So I'm just going to pause the video until then. Okay, so this happens to be the one that they did, and I have to say it's quite disappointing comparatively. When you consider this one here, it's really good. This is a top-notch video. Fur going around, the shirt lifting up and down, that's just really awesome. This one, on the other hand, it looks kind of crappy. But okay, I guess I'll give this one to Sora. So far so good. Is this considered a Sora killer? Probably not. Being perfectly honest, I wouldn't think this was killing Sora, but Sora is not available to the public as far as I'm aware. Not yet anyway. But it'll be awesome when it is, but right now it's not. So my suggestion would be, while this one is available to the public, hotshot.co I should say, I would say that you might be better off just, for the moment, sticking with these guys until such times as Sora becomes available. I still can't get over how close these two are. This is just, this one here and this one here are just so amazingly close. This one, on the other hand, is not. And I like this one because I suspect there probably were cars back during the Gold Rush era. I don't know. They would have been only just coming out if they were. So, all right. That being the case, do I think Hotshot is going to be as good as Sora? At the moment, no. Unless they can improve on it, I would say that Sora is still number one. But we can't get you Sora yet, so you may as well, in the meantime, while you're waiting for Sora to become available to the public, start using Hotshots. You can use these videos in places like Pictory videos or any of those other kind of videos where you want to be able to show various B-rolls. Okay, guys. If you got some value out of this video, how about you smash the like button, as well as subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why don't consider sharing, and also leave a comment down below and tell me, what do you think? Did Hotshots beat Sora, or is Sora still superior to Hotshots? Also, to let you know that right here is a video I believe you might like. Down here is a video YouTube thinks you might like. Right here, well, that's an image of my head. Now, if you click on that, you will be able to subscribe. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.